AR shit, big boss shit, can't stop till we all rich, and I'm back with another video today. Today I'm going to teach y'all how to stake the magic that I just taught you guys how to purchase it in the last video. You go to bridgeworld.treasure.lol. From this screen, you go to Atlas Mine. Scroll to the bottom left, it says stake. Press that button. On this screen, you're going to select the duration that you would like to stake your magic for. Keep in mind that it will not let you touch this magic until those amount of months or weeks you choose is over. Select the amount that you would like to stake. Bottom right, you hit stake and lock. You have to confirm a small gas fee. And once that successful transaction went through, you were all set. You staked your magic, and now you just sit back and reap the rewards. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a nice day.